What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to another episode of ClearCryptos educational videos. My name is T House from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good?
Over here on the ClearCryptos channel, we like to focus in on the news and or education. Today, we're going to be discussing some of the news that came out about yet another NFT slash crypto developer that's pulling some scammy SHIT that we got to discuss. So go ahead and take it away, Jay.
All right. So, a developer of Mutant Ape Planet NFTs arrested and charged with fraud for an alleged $2.9 million rug pull scam. God, that's a lot of money. So, the developer of Mutant Ape Planet NFT collection, a knockoff of the popular Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFT collection, has been arrested and charged with fraud for allegedly perpetrating a $2.9 million rug pull. I'm not going to pronounce his first name. We're going to call him A. A. Michel, a 24-year-old French citizen who lives in the UAE, was taken into custody on Wednesday evening after landing at JFK Airport in New York. Now, before I go on, I feel like if you're going to pull the rug on a crypto project, the last place you want to go is to New York. I'm just saying. But according to the complaint filed January 3rd, Michelle and other unnamed defendants marketed the Mutant Ape Planet NFTs to prospective buyers by promising them that their purchases would come with benefits, including rewards, raffles, exclusive access to other cryptocurrency assets, and the support of a community wallet with funds to be used to market the NFTs. Project developers also made vague promises about acquiring metaverse land for the NFT project, according to authorities. However, none of Michelle's promises came to fruition. When all the NFTs had been sold, Michelle and the other unnamed defendants allegedly transferred nearly $3 million in earnings to other wallets, including wallets under Michelle's control. When the Mutant Ape Planet buyers grew suspicious of the transfers, authorities say that Michelle posted under the pseudonym James, God, why he thought this was a good idea, admitted to the rug pull in the community Discord channel. We never intended to rug, but the community went way too toxic. Yeah, because that's a perfect reason to rug your community. You're just too toxic, guys, so we had to take your money. The developers posting as James wrote, I recognize that our behavior led to this. It's alleged that Michelle defrauded investors by making false representations of, amongst other things, giveaways, tokens with staking features, and merchandise collections, wrote Thomas Fataruso, acting special agent in charge with the IRS criminals investigation team. Michelle can no longer blame the NFT community for his criminal behavior, which I don't think he could in the first place, but his arrest means he will now face the consequences of his own actions, Fataruso said. Michelle's initial appearance before the U.S. Magistrate Judge James Cho of the Eastern District of New York is scheduled for Thursday afternoon. So, Hobbs, another rug pull, another scammer is biting the dust, hopefully in jail. What are your thoughts?
Well, I absolutely cannot say that I'm surprised because, as we know, cryptocurrency is a very volatile place and it's filled with a lot of bad actors. That being said, the one thing that I can say about this is I'm glad they got caught. I'm glad SBF got caught. I'm glad some of these other people are starting to get sued and starting to get found out because honestly, I feel like this is actually good for crypto, right? It lets some of the bad actors know that they are under watch. They can't just do these type of things without being penalized for them. Now, to how they did it, that is absolutely ridiculous to blame the entire community basically for your reasoning for being a rug pull. We didn't want to do this. However, you guys became so toxic, so we had to steal your $3 million. That is the worst excuse I've ever heard. So I hope that not only they recoup these people's money, but they also lock these people under the jail so that they can be set an example out of. So those are my thoughts.
Yeah, and just to add on real fast, I think it helps that, regulation that's coming, hopefully that regulation will include some of these, I don't want to call them missteps, but I guess include some of the bad actors. Like we now have a almost like blueprint and a footprint of what people are doing in these crypto communities, that hopefully moving forward the regulation can focus on stopping these guys before they start, and then also setting the precedents. And that's really what this is about, is setting the precedents now that, hey, if you scam in crypto, there's going to be big problems, whether that's jail time, long sentences of jail time, because we're not talking about little money here. That $2.9 million is a lot. And then also just, refunds too, being able to get the people's monies back, right? So some type of insurance on people's money as well. I know that in the stock market they're insured through the broker, so it's a little bit different, but still there's got to be something to do to try to help get hurt investors their money back, at least to make them whole.
Yeah, no, 100% agree. I think that the blueprint is starting to be written, and they're starting to, if they didn't know, right? If the SEC didn't know what was going on, now they're starting to see how it's done. And I'm assuming that they're going to be increasing ways on how to track this information. So definitely glad we went over this story. You guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Please tell us what you think, whether you think this is scammy behavior, where you think the consequences should be, those type of things. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on the video. Thank you so much for tuning in to the ClearCryptos educational channel. My name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. That man above is Jay Seals. And we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.